Dear children, welcome to Geography Unit number 10, India Industries. In this video, let us discuss about the answers for the questions which are given in Unit number 10. After watching this video, click below. You will get the links of previous chapters. Let's begin. First main, fill in the blanks with suitable answers. First one, Jindal Vijayanagar Steel Limited is located in dash state. Answer is Karnataka. Second one, bauxite is the main raw material for dash industry. Answer is aluminium. Third one, the paper industry is a dash based industry. Answer is forest. The paper industry is a forest based industry. Fourth one, the first modern paper mill was set up in 1932 at dash. Answer is Serampur. Let's move to second main. Answer the following questions after discussing them in groups. First question, what is meant by manufacturing industries? Mention their factors of location. The conversion of raw materials into usable products is known as manufacturing industries. The factors of location of manufacturing industries are: first one, supply of raw materials; second one, supply of power; third one, transport and communication facilities; fourth one, market facilities; fifth one, capital; sixth one, labor and water supply; seventh one, ideal climate; eighth one, government policies. Second question, list out the major industrial regions in India. The Hooghly-Kolkata region, the Mumbai-Pune region, the Ahmedabad-Vadodara region, the Madurai-Coimbatore region, the Delhi-Meerut region, Visakhapatnam-Guntur region, Kollam-Thiruvananthapuram region. These are the major industrial regions in India. Let's move to third question. Give an account of aluminium industry in India. The aluminium industry is the second important metal-based industry in India. It was started in 1942 at Jayakanagar in West Bengal. Now, there are 9 major aluminium plants in the country. They are at Jayakanagar in West Bengal, Alupuram in Kerala, Mettur in Tamil Nadu, Belagavi in Karnataka, Hirakud and Damanjodi in Odisha. India has the 11th place in the world for the production of aluminium products. India import aluminium to meet its local demands. Question number 4. Describe the distribution of cotton textile industry in India. Cotton textile industry is widely distributed over more than 76 towns and cities of India. However, it is concentrated mainly in the cotton growing states like Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh. Maharashtra and Gujarat are the leading manufacturers of cotton textiles. Mumbai is the most popular center for cotton textile industry. It is known as Cottonopolis of India and Manchester of India. All these are the distribution of cotton textile industry in India. Fifth question. Write the importance of knowledge-based industry in India. The development of knowledge-based industry has become a powerful tool of socio-economic change. India has the potential to become a leading knowledge-based industry with its young population and growing information technology. So, at present, it is very rapidly developing industry in the country. Third main, match the following: Bengaluru, Mumbai, Bhadravati, Renukut, VISL, Cottonopolis of India, Aluminium Industry, Silicon Valley of India. Let's see the correct answer. Bengaluru, Silicon Valley of India. Mumbai, Cottonopolis of India. Bhadravati, Visvesvaraya Iron and Steel Limited. Renukut, Aluminium Industry.